Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OnePlus Go Pad and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there settings. In it, we tap on our password manager and there we have password which our smart device saved. Maybe to our Netflix account we can click it to manage it, but to get connected to that we must have our look screen. But I don't have it and I must create it. I make it very fast. But we don't get a Face ID, and after we set our look screen we must draw it to connect to our passwords. In it, we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this icon, our smartphone shows us password. Which, remember, if you press this icon, you can share this password to someone, but if you want to edit something, we must tap on edit and write something you need. Maybe we can add something. And remember, when you change something, press save. To delete password with our smartphone, remember, press delete and confirm it by delete. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.